Hey my beautiful people, how are you guys doing? In today's video, I will be making this very tender, juicy, falling off the bone barbecue ribs. If you're ready, I'm excited. Let's get started right now. I cleaned the ribs and now I am removing the membrane. The ribs gets tender easier when this is removed. I am adding a little liquid smoke. This will add a nice smoky flavor to the ribs because I am baking this in the oven. A little goes a long way, so be careful, don't add a lot. Feel free to trim the fat from the ribs. I am adding a little oil to help the seasoning stick to the ribs. I am rubbing the seasoning in really well. Next, I will turn this around and repeat the process. It's right out of the oven and it's looking good already. I am adding a few tablespoons of apple juice. The apple juice won't make the ribs sweet. I will add the honey and butter to the ribs. I will cover the ribs and put it back into the oven. This is the final step. I am adding some barbecue sauce. Next, I will put the ribs back into the oven uncovered. These ribs are finger licking good. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.